Bees are remarkable creatures that play an indispensable role in the balance of nature. They are known as key pollinators, helping in the fertilization of flowering plants by transferring pollen from the male structures to the female structures of the flower. A large proportion of the global food supply is dependent on this process of pollination, emphasizing the critical role bees play in food production and security. Species and diversity. There are about 20,000 species of bees in the world. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Among the most recognized are honeybees and bumblebees. However, there are numerous species like mason bees, sweat bees, and mining bees that are also significant contributors to our ecosystem. Each species has its unique traits and behaviors which highlight the rich diversity in the bee family. Social structure. Many bee species are social insects with a structured colony hierarchy. A honeybee colony, for example, consists of a queen, drones, and worker bees. Each caste has a unique role, from reproduction to foraging to maintaining the hive. This complex social structure underlines the sophistication of bee societies. Honey production. Honeybees are renowned for their ability to produce honey, a sweet viscous substance derived from the nectar of flowers. Honey not only serves as a food reserve for bees but has also been used by humans for thousands of years as a food source and for medicinal purposes. The production of honey is a testament to the hard work and industry of these remarkable insects. Bee communication. Bees exhibit a fascinating form of communication, notably through the famous waggle dance. Bees use this unique form of movement to communicate the location of food sources to their hive mates. This incredible display showcases the intricate methods of communication within bee colonies. Bee lifespan. The lifespan of bees varies significantly across species and roles within the colony. Worker bees typically live for a few weeks in the summer, while the queen can live up to 5 years. This disparity in lifespan reflects the different roles and responsibilities within the hive. Pollination. Bees contribute significantly to pollination, the process by which plants reproduce. They transfer pollen between the male and female parts of flowers, allowing plants to produce fruit and seeds. This process is critical for the survival of many plant species and for agricultural productivity. Bees and biodiversity. Bees contribute to biodiversity by aiding in the reproduction of a wide variety of plants. As they forage for nectar and pollen, they help in the pollination of numerous plant species, leading to a rich and diverse ecosystem. This process is critical for maintaining the health and vibrancy of natural habitats. Threats to bees. Despite their importance, bees face numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticides, climate change, and diseases. These threats have led to declining bee populations worldwide, which in turn threatens global food security and biodiversity. Bee conservation. Efforts are underway to conserve and protect bees. These include creating bee-friendly habitats, reducing the use of harmful pesticides, and raising awareness about the importance of bees. Bee conservation is essential for maintaining the balance of our ecosystems and for our food security. The role of beekeeping. Beekeeping plays a crucial role in supporting bee populations and contributes to the economy by producing honey and other bee products. It can also improve crop yields through increased pollination. This ancient practice serves as a testament to the enduring relationship between bees and humans. Bees in research. Bees are significant in scientific research. Studies on bee behavior, communication, and social structure provide insights into animal behavior and social organization. Furthermore, research on bees helps us understand and address the threats they face. Bees and climate change. Climate change poses a significant threat to bees. Changes in temperature can disrupt their life cycle and food sources. Understanding the impact of climate change on bees is critical for their conservation and for maintaining their essential role in pollination. Bees and agriculture. Bees play a vital role in agriculture by improving crop yields through pollination. They help produce a significant portion of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we consume. Without bees, our diet would be much less diverse and nutritious. Bees and the economy. The economic value of bees is substantial. Their pollination services contribute billions to the global economy. The honey industry also contributes significantly to economies worldwide, providing income for many beekeepers. Bee products. Apart from honey, bees produce several other products used by humans, including beeswax, royal jelly, propolis, and bee pollen. These products have various uses in food, cosmetics, and medicine, further underscoring the multiplicity of ways bees benefit humans. Understanding bee behavior. Understanding bee behavior can provide insights into their health and well-being. Changes in behavior can signal threats like disease or resource scarcity. Monitoring and interpreting bee behavior is an essential aspect of bee conservation efforts. Educating about bees. Education is a powerful tool for conserving bees. Raising awareness about the importance of bees, the threats they face, and how to help them can contribute significantly to their conservation. School programs, community projects, and media can all play a role in educating people about bees. Planting for bees. One simple but effective way to help bees is by planting bee-friendly plants. Gardens, parks, and even window boxes can provide valuable habitat and food sources for bees. Choosing a variety of plants that bloom at different times can provide for bees throughout the year. Bee migration. Some species of bees, like honeybees, engage in a fascinating behavior known as migration. Beekeepers often move hives vast distances to align with flowering seasons of certain crops, aiding in pollination. This process is integral to the production of many kinds of fruits, nuts, and vegetables. Beekeeping history. The practice of beekeeping dates back thousands of years, evidenced in ancient Egyptian art and even older cave paintings. This historical significance of bees illustrates the long-standing relationship between humans and bees, one that has been mutually beneficial throughout the centuries. Solitary bees. Contrary to popular belief, not all bees live in large colonies. Many species are solitary, with individual females building their own nests. Despite their less social nature, solitary bees are still significant pollinators and play a vital role in their ecosystems. The art of beekeeping. Beekeeping, or apiculture, is both a science and an art. Beekeepers need to understand bee biology and ecology, but also the skillful management of the hive. It's a practice that requires patience, observation, and a deep respect for these industrious insects. Bees in culture and religion. Bees have been represented in various cultures and religions around the world. From symbolizing industriousness and order to being associated with the divine, the reverence for bees underscores their global cultural significance. Impact of invasive species on bees. Invasive species, such as the Varroa mite and Asian hornet, pose serious threats to bee populations. These non-native species can devastate local bee populations, highlighting the importance of biosecurity in protecting bees. Climate resilience in bees. With the ongoing threat of climate change, understanding the resilience mechanisms in bees is critical. Some species exhibit fascinating adaptations to cope with temperature extremes and variability in food resources. The fascinating world of bee cognition. Research has shown that bees possess impressive cognitive abilities despite their small brain size. They can learn and remember, make complex calculations on distance and direction, and even recognize human faces, a testament to their incredible mental capabilities. Bees and the flower connection. The relationship between bees and flowers is a beautiful example of co-evolution. Many flowers have evolved to attract bees through bright colors, specific shapes, and enticing scents. In return, bees help flowers reproduce through pollination. Neonicotinoids and bees. Neonicotinoids, a type of insecticide, have been implicated in the decline of bee populations. These chemicals can impact bees' ability to navigate, forage, and reproduce. The controversy surrounding their use underscores the importance of sustainable farming practices in bee conservation. Thanks for watching this short documentary. If you want more, let us know in the comment. Don't forget to share and subscribe.